Ukraine's drone army takes out every Russian system they can find. This has mainly been referred to the ground, but where there's a chance there's an opportunity. As seen when a Ukrainian FPV drone spotted a Russian surveillance drone up in the air, with the Ukrainian drone closing in from behind but misses the wing, stabling off and goes in for a second attempt. This time managing to hit the drone and takes it out, showing Ukraine's drone army has very little limit to what they can target, being able to suppress Russia's surveillance with an incredible hit. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.